lastly, so to the viewers who are watching this live session, so what is your suggestion? What is your feedback? Like if someone wants to work from home, okay, or make good use of their time, okay, and like be productive, earn a good income. So would how would you suggest this course? What is your suggestion to them? What is your advice to them?
Yes, I will suggest all the teachers, not even a female teacher, even a male teacher can also join.
Okay.
And it's not like that your handwriting should be good, then only you can teach the good handwriting to the other kids. It's not like that. If your art is also not good, and if you also want to join the calligraphy, you can go for calligraphy. Frankly speaking, because my drawing is worst. My drawing is not so good. Only I can draw normal drawing which we used to do when we were the kids, but I'm not very good in art. But though my calligraphy is good, just because my guru is good, but any male teacher can also join, female teacher can also join in the vacations also when the tuitions are not there, what to do? Just sitting free is not good. So it is a good source of income also, and you are learning also. See, at this age also I've learned so many things from you. So it's not
Okay.
like that the career starts from the 22 and 25, abhi 40 के age में भी क्या करेंगे? No, it's not like that. If you have time, 2 hours, 3 hours, I'll suggest all the parents, even the male parents, female parents, everybody, just join the Kunjal Art. Just meet her, just take a demo session. Ask your child also to go for the demo sessions and just learn and be creative. Either it is handwriting, either it is calligraphy, for calligraphy. Even with the normal pencil and ball pens also beautifully the kids are writing. And
Of course.
I'll suggest to all the teachers also, if you are free, if you have time, if you want a good source of income, just join the Kunjalat classes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pinky. So, of course, before ending this, a big shout out to Pinky Kothari. I mean, people who are watching, okay, you must check her work on Facebook. Like she has been constantly posting her work on Facebook, on her stories. Okay, and yes, right now she is taking the classes offline. Okay, so she stays at Vadala, Sivri. So the parents who are closer to Sivri, Vadala, Sajan must join her classes. She is one of the dedicated teachers of Kunjala classes. Okay, whether it is handwriting, whether it is calligraphy. Okay, and of course, I mean, see, earning money is one thing, but the kind of reviews that my teachers are getting, the kind of confidence my teachers have on their face. Okay, the happiness in their eyes. That is one I always strive to see. Okay, of course, you can do anything to earn money, but the confidence which my teachers emit, that is commendable. Yeah. So, first of all, thank you to all the viewers for joining in, for joining our live session. Okay, and thank you